I'm Nummer, and I hope this isn't a bummer, and welcome to my channel, Nummer Bummer. For this video, I'm going to be opening a little bit random stuff. We have a few Littlest Pet Shop, Capybara, and these that I found surprisingly at Walmart. I think I've seen these at Five Below, but I saw these at Walmart and I had to grab them. They're really cute. And I'm going to start off with this little guy that's hanging off right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and quickly get into this video. Always the tearing of the box. Speaking of which, let me just get right into it. I always destroy these boxes. They're not very nice to open. Okay, let's see who it is. Ooh, it's the monkey. I used to have the monkey on the playset that we used to have. This is popcorn. And there was like a swing kind of thing. It was like that ice thing. I can't remember. Oh, that's so cute. And the coin. And there's the card. Oh, the bed's really cute. I don't even know what the coins are for. If you want to let me know in the comments, you can. Because I genuinely don't know. It could be for a Littlest Pet Shop game, like a code for a game. The only game of Littlest Pet Shops I played was the Wii game, and I still have it. And every few years, I just like get all of the pets and like start buying all of the sets and stuff. This is pretty wrapped up. Ooh, the cat. And here's the fish. I don't remember if we've gotten the cat before. The coin. Oh, it's the website. Yeah, the website's on the coin. I think I figured that out last time too. I just forgot about it. But here she is. She's very cute. Okay, I'm gonna get into one of these. I just wanted to get the unsteady ones out of the way. And these are keychains. I'm gonna put up a video. Oh, actually I don't. They're on the back. I didn't even notice that. But these are all the ones that they have, and you're not able to tell because unless they're squishy, but they're all round, I'm not able to tell because I think that's the protective thing. So you can't. One, it protects it, and one, you can't figure out what it is. And I'm fine with any of these. They're really cute. I just want to get the different shapes. I really like this shape. But I want to get a variety of shapes. Because I do think they're all really cute. And this is the cuteness foodie collection. I don't really know. But I just want different shapes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, I think it's the star. I don't know if you can tell on camera. And it's the ones with like liquid in them. It's a really good keychain. Oh, I got the fries. I can't eat fries right now, which is a little upsetting, but fries are usually my favorite. Oh, that's so cute, actually. That's really cute. Okay, I'm gonna get into one of these capybaras. I like all of these. My favorite is where he's in the little bath. My sister really likes this one, and she really likes this one, and this one. So she likes a good variety of these. So we don't care for the ones with the seagulls. I mean, they're cute. It's just these are our favorites. Okay. Oof. I don't want to break a nail. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it's one of the ones, no card? The one, the single ones. Oh, that's cute. Here's a little cuteness. It's really cute. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's raining pretty heavily outside. But that's really cute. He's just like, leave me alone. That's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna go ahead and get these out of the way because of how I have to open them. And ooh, my sister's gonna love this. She already has this one, I'm pretty sure. But, ooh, fix her body. Yeah, there we go. But she won't be too sad about having two. The coin. Let me know if y'all like the coins or use them. Like, let me know if you're the one that got it. Because I don't have that many viewers. So, one of you are definitely going to be able to get it. I don't even know if anybody plays on there, though. I haven't tried for anything related to toys and online since Webkins. Okay, I thought I got the toy. I thought I ripped in the toy, but I was getting into the cardboard. Okay. Let's see who this is. Apples, I think. Yeah, I think we've gotten this one. I honestly can't remember at the top of my head right now. Here's the coin. You can get that code. There we go. And it's the axolotl. Yeah, I think we've gotten this one because it has like a really chubby face. Here's the card. The cards kind of remind me a little bit of Pokemon cards. The little apples are always really cute. This would be really cute for another set. Okay. Now I'm gonna get, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open one of these. Oh, I forgot it's a clear bag. Da-da-da-da. Ooh! One of the ones my sister likes. These are really nice figures. They're vinyl, I think, but they're way more sturdy than I thought they would be. And they're a little bit weighty. You could use them as paperweights. They're pretty cute. They're pretty, really cute, little weight. That's adorable. Oh yeah, it looks like the little guy smiling. That's so cute. Let's get into one of these. I'm not gonna look until I open it. I'm gonna keep my eyes closed, actually. Make sure it's a frame. Okay, it feels like another star, I think. Yep, it's another star. Ooh, the ice cream cone. That's cute. Yeah, that's cute. Oh, he's got a face. I didn't even notice. That's cute. And the pink liquid. This one's definitely going to my other sister. Okay, I'm gonna open this one. I'm the most hype about the liquid keychains. They're really cute, actually. Okay. Oh. Got a double. I can give this to a family member. But again, that's really cute. Okay, time for this one. And I don't want it to mess up, so I'm just gonna do that. Okay. Once again, I'm gonna keep my eyes closed. It's the last one. Okay. Do you know what it is yet? Okay, it feels like a different shape before I even got it out. Okay, it's brown. Is it the... Oh, it's the little cup. Oh, it's a whole sundae situation over there. A whole ice cream. That is adorable. Oh. That is so cute. Little cup. This one doesn't want to show its face too much. That's so cute. These were worth it. They're so cute. As far as what my favorite thing in this video that I got is, I'm gonna have to say, I'm gonna have to say the cup. The cup is by far my favorite. That is so cute. I didn't think I was gonna like it as much. That's really cute. My next favorite, even though I got doubles, will have to be the capybara on the turtle. Or tortoise, I don't know. But that's really cute. Oh, a little squished to flatten. That's so cute. So, first favorite, second favorite. My third favorite, I think, is the monkey. The monkey's really cute. Reminded me of my childhood. So, that's never a bad thing. At least in this situation. And then my fourth favorite is the ice cream, actually. It's really cute. I never really like fry themed stuff. It always looks kind of eh. Because it just, you know, it's fries. It's not ugly. It's just definitely not as cute as these two. But that's it for this video. And I hope you enjoyed. Bye! Oh, I just realized I had this one off to the side and I forgot about it. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one and I'll add it in. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and not look. And it's really squished. Okay. Feels round. Ooh! I think it's one of the ones that I really wanted because I liked the roundness, the different shape, obviously, but the buns are so cute. That's absolutely adorable. These keychains are really high quality. I don't know if I mentioned that in the video. But anyway, bye!